How to set Safari restrictions to only allow approved websites and web content on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, make sure you go back to the main Settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, in Screen Time, scroll down and make sure you set a passcode. So tap on Lock Screen Time Settings and enter the passcode. So set a passcode for your screen time. It can be a different passcode to your iPhone passcode. And here I will set in a passcode. Now it asks you, do you want to set a recovery code? You can do so, or you can simply just cancel. And then tap on Skip, and you still be able to set up your screen time passcode if you tap on Cancel. Okay, next we go into Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. After that, we go down and tap on Web Content, and from here, normally it is set to unrestricted. So what you want to do is you want to select only approved websites. And from here, add in the website that you want to approve. Any website not in this list will not be approved. So for example, if I try to go into Safari and open up youtube.com, so youtube.com, and if I refresh the page, you can see it's not allowed. And if I tap on allow website, I need to enter the passcode. If I don't put in the passcode, I will not be able to unlock that website. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.